Hey guys, Scooter Street here. Have a Piaggio Vespa Primavera 50cc. This is one of the new 4-stroke I-Get models. So today we're going to be fitting a variator to this scooter. So just before we get into the rest of it, I just wanted to show you because these can be a little bit tricky. So on the new model, they have a security bolt from the factory, which has a sort of like a pentagonal shape. It's rather than being a hex, it's only got 5 sides. So where there would normally be 2 faces, there's just 1 face across. Actually see it a little more clearly here. So these are just to make it difficult for people to modify them that aren't Piaggio, which is really frustrating. So obviously we're going to need to get these off. Now sometimes you can get these off with vice grips, but often you'll scratch up your clutch cover and muck all your paint up. That's no good. And this one in particular here, it doesn't really have a lot of area to grab it onto without smashing the vice grips into the sides of the cover. So what we do, you can see here, we've actually try and use a relatively strong star bit, but we just gently tap it in with a hammer so that the little teeth at the top there essentially butt into that flat face where there would normally be 2 faces, 1 flat face across. This bites into it, and if you're gentle and patient with it, you'll get it to sit really nicely in there. It'll bite into it, and you can then use that to remove the bolt. So we've pre-loosened the rest of these off. Obviously they've got these 2 security bolts, so I'm going to get this one off, get that one out using the same method. Unfortunately, almost all of the new models, 2018 onwards, are using these stupid security bolts, which is very, very frustrating. So that includes most of the 2-stroke models as well, including the new Euro 4 Typhoon, as well as the Euro 4 Aprilias, the SRMT, which is the same bike as Typhoon, just different branding. So I'm going to go ahead and continue with this, pull the bolts off, get the transmission cover off, and we'll show you how to install this Malossi Variator.